Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you're having a nice weekend. Today in this video, I'm going to show you this soft, dewy pink nude makeup. And it's super duper easy to follow. It does not take much time. So let's get started. Clean your face with a wet tissue and use a good moisturizer and sunscreen before you apply your foundation. Just remember to massage your moisturizer and sunscreen a little bit before you apply your foundation. Massaging will make your skin more soft and supple. I'm skipping a concealer part here and going directly with the compact here. Now you can shape your eyebrows with a spoolie and fill in the gap with a pencil. Now I'm using a blush on in the shade pink on my cheeks.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?
Now use a pencil eyeliner, or you can use a kajal pencil also on your upper eyelid to define the shape. using a Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid on my lips. I'm using a matte lipstick now in a shade Lust for Blush on my upper eyelid. So guys, this is the final look, and you can see how easy and quick it is to get this look. Hope you liked my video, and do subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. See you in my next video.